loser!
Hey Susie, do you want some onions?
Honestly, Maury, knowing the last time you've given me onions, I personally would not like to take your offers on any grounds. For fuck's sake, I can't even go to sleep without unconsciously replaying that horrid memory and recalling that pungent oniony smell that flew out of your nasty ass. Going to the bathroom is quite the experience because even a slight whiff of my greasy, sloppy shit brings me into a schizophrenic panicking craze thinking that I'm receiving another batch of your raunchy onions. The only reason I gave you a cook or be cooked gold medal is because you threatened that you'd not only pulverize my spinal column with one of many of the oily and dirty pots and pans from the studio's prop room, but you genuinely threatened to carpet bomb my family with 60 tons of declassified Soviet napalm explosives if I didn't take up your offer before we started the show. Maury, you are an absolutely deranged and psychopathic piece of fucking shitcock wiener pants, and I personally hope Chef Poop lays a gargantuan turd on your nasty, four-eyed, skinny, fuzz-faced Poindexter ass. And another thing.
I hope you go camping and get fucked in the ass by an angry moose!